Hello? Who this?
Hello, Miss Brissett. This is Paul Watson.
Stinger. Where you there?
Agent B. You know I can't give away my location.
So, what I call you for? You on assignment?
No, because you abort the assignment.
Yeah, because the assignment they would have do more harm than good for the agency.
I agree.
Stinger. What I call you for?
Listen, I want to come in.
The agency inactive, you know. So it can't be there.
I want some more public.
Public?
Yeah. I will feel safer somewhere public for other people there.
Alright. There's a place where I can recommend. We'll have meetings and it's an eating spot. It's an agency spot.
Willis? At the big tree?
You good with that?
Yeah. That cool.
Alright. Meet me in an hour.
Question. Are you alone or go there? Or Whisper go there with you?
Yeah, you might go there.
Are you sure me I go safe?
You have my word.
Alright, Agent B. I take your word for it.
Alright. Whisper, where your location?
Just a pull up.
You not get back your car?
Yeah, but me have to get a test drive first before it fully up.
Okay. Before you come in, check the culvert.
What go on?
Just check and forward inside.
Alright. Now go check. A number come up.
Unknown.
So him get a number.
Maybe Pops give them my number for this reason.
Oh, for link if them need to come in.
Yeah. But him sound
Afraid?
not afraid, but cautious.
Why you ask me for check the culvert?
Because my camera them down.
You feel him have something to do with it?
Miranda the first person will come to mind. But when I go outside and I check and I come back in, him call me.
So you call it in?
Yeah. And German a tell me shit about the agency inactive and him not supposed to go in the system.
But we are still agents. So them supposed to still protect we.
Them have to do that. Me just make him know same to deal with it and make me know what go on. Speak of the devil. Yes, German. Well, check the network provider and get them back up ASAP. That clear, sir?
Bossy, tell him to check on the one them over my block too.
Oh, check the camera them over Whisper too. And the ones them are Celine. Cause me need to know if any activity happened since the incident. German is not a request, sir. I say my first one, I go Lego when time I go back at agency.
Them nah move right.
The camera them over your house, they get problem too?
Yeah, sometimes chip out for 5 and sometimes for 10 minutes.
Them need full servicing.
Tell you the truth, you know. No, I'm not feel safe, you know. I'm worried for destiny.
You know, so me go check out that boy, the German. I wonder if the minister get to him.
Sometimes you never know.
I pray deep. Cause something in a something. Somebody a leak some information.